What if your daily drink could help support your weight loss journey? While no drink can magically melt belly fat overnight, certain beverages may help boost hydration, increase fullness, reduce added sugar intake, or fit into a healthy lifestyle that supports fat loss. In today's video, we're sharing 6 refreshing drinks that may help you stay on track naturally. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last drink is one of the easiest and most refreshing options you can enjoy every day. Welcome to Smart Life Health, where better health starts with smarter choices. Pineapple juice. Pineapple is naturally rich in vitamin C and contains an enzyme called bromelain. While bromelain doesn't directly burn fat, pineapple can be a refreshing alternative to sugary soft drinks when enjoyed in moderation. Choose fresh pineapple or 100% pineapple juice without added sugar. Remember, portion size matters because fruit juice still contains natural sugars. A small glass alongside a balanced meal is often a smarter choice than drinking large amounts. Green tea. Green tea has been one of the most researched beverages for weight management. It contains antioxidants called catechins and a moderate amount of caffeine, which may slightly increase calorie burning in some people. For the best results, enjoy green tea without added sugar. Replacing sugary beverages with green tea can also help reduce your overall calorie intake. Grapefruit, honey, and cinnamon drink. Grapefruit provides vitamin C and plenty of water, helping you stay hydrated. A small amount of honey can add natural sweetness, while cinnamon offers a flavorful touch. Keep in mind that honey still contains calories, so use it sparingly. Also, grapefruit may interact with certain medications, so if you take prescription medication, check with your healthcare provider before drinking grapefruit regularly. Cucumber and lemon water. Cucumber and lemon water is one of the easiest healthy drinks you can make. It keeps you hydrated and can replace sugary beverages throughout the day. While it won't directly burn belly fat, staying hydrated may help control appetite and support healthy metabolism. Simply add fresh cucumber slices and lemon to cold water and enjoy. Celery and apple juice. Celery is low in calories, while apples provide fiber and natural sweetness. Using mostly celery with a small apple creates a refreshing drink that's lower in sugar than many commercial juices. If possible, blending the ingredients instead of juicing helps preserve more fiber, keeping you fuller for longer. Berry and chia seed water. Berries are packed with antioxidants and naturally lower in sugar than many fruits. Adding chia seeds creates a drink rich in fiber, which may help you feel satisfied between meals. Let the chia seeds soak for about 20 to 30 minutes before drinking. This colorful beverage is refreshing, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Some bonus tips. Even the healthiest drinks won't produce lasting results without healthy daily habits. For better fat loss results, drink enough water every day. Eat more vegetables, lean protein, and whole foods. Limit sugary drinks and processed snacks. Walk or exercise regularly. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Small daily habits often create the biggest long-term results. If you found these healthy drink ideas helpful, let us know in the comments. Which one would you try first? And if you have your own favorite healthy drink, we'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Thank you for watching Smart Life Health, where better health starts with smarter choices. We'll see you in the next video.